Hello guys, today we're going to do an earth science activity kit. As you can see, it starts with start a rock collection, grow a crystal, dig out, what was that?
No, just crystal, different types of crystals. It's going to be an unboxing. So, as you can see, we kind of unboxed it, but not unboxed. So, show us, Jordan, what's in the box.
Okay, so this is okay, so the first activity is we're gonna do the volcano. It's built in the rocky volcano, and I think it's beautiful, but I don't know if and I think this is just a cup to pour water.
Okay, well, let's look at the instructions before we open the box. We'll be right back.
Okay, so the first thing that we will be doing is digging out gold.
All right, so that's one of the activities here in the kit. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the water, and Jordan's gonna go ahead and read the instructions. So read me the instructions. What they say.
Prepare your workstation. The science dig can get messy. So place your dig brick on a sturdy paper plate or newspaper. If the weather is nice, do your evacuation outside.
Okay, cool. So now this is the gold brick, the gold bar, right, with $1 million.
No, it's not.
I know, but okay. So we have the plate. The mom's gonna love that. We're gonna use the kitchen plate to serve food, and we're gonna do this experiment. Alrighty. So what's the next step?
Okay, the specimens are buried inside your digging brick. Dig into the brick with the tools provided.
So the specimens are inside the brick. That's pretty cool, guys. Look at that.
Okay. We're gonna start in 3.
Okay, so now.
Okay, so we're gonna pour the hot water on, so it can get easier and super
Easier to dig out.
That's
cool.
Yeah, and this is what I did when one of the principals gave me a little dinosaur digging kit.
What? You're spoiled, man. Your principal gave you some stuff?
Yeah.
Guys, well, that tells you have to pay attention to school, be friendly with your teachers. They're good people, and they'll give you stuff. And I'm joking, but that was nice of them.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So he filled it with water. We're gonna wait a little bit, and we'll be back in 2 hours later.
Okay, guys, it's been a few minutes, so now we're gonna start chopping it up.
All right.
Okay, so the first thing that you're gonna do is want to be careful, because you don't want to hurt yourself when you're doing these.
That's a good tip, guys. Make sure you guys are careful when you're doing this. You don't want to hurt yourself. That's some good pointers.
And it's also like digging up like a dinosaur fossil, like I did in 2nd grade. Oh, I guess we got our first one.
All right.
You see? Okay, this is how it looks. So I can see 2, I think, or they're probably just both together though.
So we're gonna keep digging, guys. We'll be back.
Okay, so we dig out these. These are just the same crystals. So we're gonna show them in 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so they're the same crystals. Look, it's supposed to be shiny rocks, though. They're both.
So that's what we dug up. There's 2 golden shiny rocks, golden nuggets, and they're pretty cool. All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. We'll see you until next time. Make sure you like
and subscribe.
All right.
And so on Thursday we'll post another video.